And if a woman is objectifying you, it is so easy. Oh my god, it is so easy. It is so easy. Yo, what's up my guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we are talking about women chase guys who know this. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Let's jump into it. Number one, all women, regardless of the age, have that inner girl that wants to have fun. Guys, women love fun. Women love to have fun, and they will chase the guys that give them the most fun. And by fun is subjective, because every guy is unique and every guy gives unique experiences to women. But you have got to have that mindset of, I'm just having fun. My life is exciting. You're doing your life, you're doing things that you enjoy in your life. You're having fun with your life, having fun doing whatever it is you're doing in life. And women just want to be part of that journey. And if you're having fun, she will have fun. That is automatic. It will ooze out from you. So if you are enjoying yourself, if you are having fun, I'm telling you, women will chase you. Women will chase you. Wherever you go, you just have the mindset of, I am here to have fun. I am not here for anyone. I am here for me to have a good time. That is the mindset that women crave. Women chase guys that have fun. Just go look at the club. When you go to the club, there are two types of guys. Guys who have gone to get girls and guys who have gone to have fun. Women will gravitate towards the guy that has gone to have fun. Women chase guys who give them the space to be feminine. By this, I mean you become masculine. Just observe how men and women interact. The man, you are supposed to be, the rock. You are steady. Let the women be nervous. Let the women fidget. Let the women move around. Let the woman play around with you, with your muscles, with your whatever. But if you are the one who is nervous, who is trying, you're being feminine, women will not chase you. Women will avoid you. Women will put you in the category of orbiters, guys who hope that one day she will give them the box. Girls chase guys that are rocks. You have to be masculine. You have to be 100% masculine. Give that presence, that manly presence. And I'm telling you, even if you are 15 years old and you have masculine traits, you will attract even 40, 50, 100-year ladies, because they are feminine. When you give women the space to be feminine, you give them, when you are talking, you are talking slowly. With your pitch, the pitch of your voice is down. You are controlled. You have control. That is what I mean. You have control of yourself and the situation. And the woman is just, following your lead. And that is really attractive. Women chase guys who are, they know how to lead. I'm telling you, the other day, I was out the other day, and we were a couple of guys. Some of them are into red pill, some of them are, they think red pill is bullshit. But all in all, I was observing how the women were behaving and treating me. even older women that you will not expect, women that you will give that motherly respect. They were all, you know, attractive. I could see their inner girl come out. They were feminine, they were submissive. But how they react to the other guys is different, completely opposite. So guys, make sure you are leading. You have that, you're always in control of the situation around you. Number 3, women objectify men as the same as we objectify women. Women will lust over guys, and they will, you know, there's that primal desire. When you are attractive, you have to improve yourself to the point where women look at you as sex objects. Women look at you and all they think about is how she is going to ride you. You have to portray that picture, that sexual, you know, you give women that image to imagine, because women love to imagine. You know, women are emotional, and when they imagine, they feel it. It's like it's real. I'm telling you, you have to present yourself like you are, you know, like you're candy. You're a sweet. You are so sweet. A woman looks at you and she feels like, he looks so delicious. You have to be that guy. You have to be that guy. I'm telling you, women objectify men. And if a woman is objectifying you, it is so easy. Oh my God, it is so easy. It is so easy. Just make sure the way you dress, the way you smell, the way you look, the way your body looks, all is on point. You want to be as attractive as you can. You have to maximize your attractiveness. Let women lust over you. They just look at you and they are turned on. You have not even said a word. Just by your appearance turns women on. Guys, last but not the least, women will believe what you tell them. So you have to be confident in yourself, 100% confident in the way you say things. You have to be 100% confident and masculine, so that when you are telling a woman, I'm telling you, women just believe anything as long as it's good. Women feed on what men tell them. So you have to be good with your words. You know, knowing what to say at the right time. There's that connection. Not many guys have this. I'm telling you, these qualities are rare. Not many men know this, but you have to practice. Practice with a lot of women. The way you talk, how you talk, the things you talk, the things you say will drive a woman crazy. She'll be obsessing. She'll be sleeping, and all she can dream about is you. How you were talking to her, the words you were saying to her. Guys, it is so easy. Women are the easiest creatures out here, guys. You just have to learn these things, I'm telling you. Hope you got something from today's video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.